sticky notes can create dazzling lighting effects that rival those of the brightest lamps. These humble, colorful pieces of paper may seem insignificant, but they hold a secret. When arranged in a specific pattern, sticky notes can refract light and create an otherworldly glow. This phenomenon is known as total internal reflection, where light bounces off a surface and back into the eye. It's a simple yet fascinating concept that has captivated scientists and artists alike. Imagine a room filled with thousands of sticky notes, each one a tiny prism reflecting light in a kaleidoscope of colors. But that's not the strangest part. When the sticky notes are moved in a specific way, the light patterns change, creating an ever-shifting display of light and color. To understand how this works, let's break down the basics of light and reflection. Light travels in waves, and when it hits a surface, some of it is reflected back, creating the image we see. The angle at which light hits a surface determines how much of it is reflected, and sticky notes are no exception. When a sticky note is placed at a shallow angle to the light source, the light is refracted or bent and bounces back into the eye.
But when the sticky note is moved to a more vertical angle, the light is reflected straight back, creating a bright, sharp image.
It's like a miniature version of a prism, where the sticky note acts as a tiny lens, bending the light and creating a rainbow of colors. But that's not all. Sticky notes can also create complex patterns and designs when arranged in specific ways. Imagine a sticky note forest, where thousands of tiny notes are arranged to create a stunning display of light and color. Each note is a tiny prism, refracting light and creating a kaleidoscope of colors that shift and change as the notes are moved. It's a mesmerizing display that is both beautiful and thought-provoking, making you wonder about the science behind it all. So, what can we learn from this simple yet fascinating phenomenon? For one, it shows us the power of light and reflection, and how even the smallest objects can create something truly remarkable. It also highlights the importance of angle and perspective in shaping our perception of the world around us. And finally, it demonstrates the beauty of simplicity, where a simple object like a sticky note can be transformed into something extraordinary with a little creativity.
So, the next time you see a sticky note, remember its potential as a tiny prism, refracting light and creating a world of wonder.
But that's not the strangest part. When you start experimenting with sticky notes, you'll discover a whole new world of creative possibilities. You can create patterns, designs, and even entire scenes using nothing but sticky notes and a little imagination. It's a world of endless possibility, where the only limit is your own creativity. So, what are you waiting for? Grab some sticky notes and start experimenting. You never know what amazing creations you'll come up with. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this fascinating. Join us next time as we explore more amazing discoveries and incredible creations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you're inspired to create your own sticky note masterpiece, be sure to subscribe for more creative ideas and subscribe for more incredible stories like this.